Hello, I'm Marilis with WTI and I want to tell you about these lubricating eye drops. They are very good for when you have dryness or irritation in your eyes. They don't sting or feel strange in your eyes. It's more like your own tears. It is good to use them when we are outdoors exposed to dust and debris. Also when we have a good rest reading and our eyes get tired, or the most common, when we spend a lot of time using our electronic devices. It is small, so it is easy to carry everywhere, and its dropper works very well. You don't have to make much force to make it bounce, and when it doesn't, it is a reasonable amount, so it doesn't get wet and it doesn't hurt the eyes either. It really is very airtight. It won't drop everywhere, so we can carry it in our bag. Although it is small, it brings enough. It will work for a long time. It really achieves its objective, and that's my point of view.